This one little penny sold for $216,000. Now, depending on where you are in your financial journey will dictate if the sale of this coin could push you over into retirement. Now, regardless, this coin, if in better condition, could have sold for a whole lot more money than $216,000. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to look for when it comes to this rare coin, and it's going to allow you to never miss this coin again. Now, first of all, you can see this is a 1943 S coin. Now, it's important to know that they produced 191,555,000 1943 S pennies. Now, that's a good amount of coins, but the reality is this coin that was graded by NGC at an AU53, AU meaning almost uncirculated, was accidentally struck on the wrong planchet. So essentially, during the war efforts, they needed bronze for ammunition, so they transitioned into a zinc-coated steel planchet to save this bronze. All 1943 pennies should be struck on a zinc-coated steel planchet, but this one was accidentally struck on the wrong planchet. This is one of the most iconic coins out there, and it's very incredibly hard to find. If you have this coin, make sure you hold on to it, contact a coin expert, and I'll see you in the next video.